The next importance is business environment helps in tapping useful resources. Various resources are required for the business enterprise, and these resources are given by the business environment, because the business environment is a source of various resources for running the business. These resources always given by the business environment, such as machines, tools, finance, material, labor, workers. These are the various resources which are given by the business environment. So the business enterprise convert them into the desired goods and services for the customer. These resources are given by the business environment. Business enterprise are doing, they are converting them into the desired goods and services for the customers. If the business enterprise has a complete awareness and knowledge, very two points are there, awareness and knowledge of external environment. अगर business enterprise के पास complete awareness है, complete knowledge है external environment के बारे में. External environment means the 5 factor: social, political, legal, technological and economic. It can tap the technology, raw material, finance from the market at reasonable price at the right time. Very important. These are the resources given by the business environment. Business enterprise, they convert them into the desired goods and the services for the customers. But if the business environment providing these resources timely, in that case, it is very big help for the business enterprise, because they can tap the technology, raw material, finance from the market at the reasonable price and at the right time. Examples: the government announced the reduction in the custom duty if the goods were imported from the Korea. That one is very important. These announcements made by the government, and this can be known with the help of the business environment. Government reduces the rate of interest on loan. Yes, government ने rate of interest on loan reduce किया. ये हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? With the help of business environment. Supplier offers the discount on raw materials. अगर हमें पता चल रहा है कि ये अभी सप्लायर ने कुछ डिस्काउंट दे रहा है सप्लायर हमें रॉ मटेरियल के ऊपर, तो हम क्या करेंगे? उस रॉ मटेरियल को जल्दी से जल्दी परचेज करेंगे, so that we can avail the discount. So these type of announcement can be known with the help of the business environment. So enterprise design the policy to arrange the required resources so that it can convert them into output that the environment desire. This can be done better by understanding what the environment has to offer us. It means with the help of the business environment, with the help of awareness and the knowledge of external trends, an enterprise can tap the resources timely at a reasonable price.